first impressions and showcase a comparison between the Insta360 X5, which is, which one? Can you tell? And the Insta360 One RS 1-inch edition. So obviously on one, we have a bigger sensor, whereas the other one has the most updated processing. What I wanted to see is what is the difference between the quality on these cameras just right off the bat when we are looking at indoor, relatively low light settings. So Insta360 X5 has something called an Insta Frame mode, which automatically tracks you as you're holding the thing. The Insta360 One RS 1R does not have that. I think none of the other previous models have that, to my knowledge. The upside is I can point this whichever way, and it'll keep me centered, as I understand. And so, which is good because if anybody is just kind of somewhere showcasing, want to keep themselves centered in the frame, this would be the way to go about in doing that. And so if one wanted to go Musashi and have two of these, one in front and one in the back, you could do that. You might look like a weirdo with two big selfie sticks in the front and back, but it'll get you a significant amount of coverage. The Insta framing, so that way you can put out content quickly, and the pure video mode in terms of the quality comparison. So let's take a look at that. So what I wanted to see was how well this thing performs in low light and what the comparison is. There are a few features on the new X5 that I've been wanting to test out and see for myself, but the luck would have it, one of my colleagues is actually going on a trip internationally. They're going to Bosnia. The point was that he needed a camera that he can use easily. And so we got this camera. We actually have a microphone that we're waiting for, is on the way. I was hoping for it to arrive earlier today so I can hand it off to him, but it's going to be later tonight. But I just wanted to see for myself, what is the difference in the image quality between these two cameras? A noticeable difference, or is it a remarkable difference? And so now just walking through different lighting environments, this here is standard overhead lighting. If you're wondering, I am in 8K video, pure video mode, I think. Whereas on the Insta360 One RS 1-inch edition, I'm on a different mode. Here we are with the, hold on a second. This was supposed to be, oh no, Yusuf, why did you change this? So this is our more controlled lighting setup. And I've got a little spotlight with a window shining over here. This kind of gives you an impression of what, basically this would be the sun-kissed look. And Yusuf, you're moving the lights. Don't be moving the lights. Insta360 One RS 1-inch edition is significantly heavier in my right hand. The X5 is noticeably lighter. Here we are going into a very bright situation. Oh, and by the way, both of these cameras are set to auto. And this is our storage closet, soon to be set, hopefully. I gotta get some tints on these windows. I keep being reminded of that every time I walk in here. And but yeah, so this is that first initial test, first impressions. Thank you. You have your monster truck, right? Okay, go play with your monster truck. Here, you want to make a ramp with the boxes over there? Let's put the circle down, pick up your monster truck, come over here. Here, look, I got you a ramp. A big ramp.